Please try this amazing veg cutlet recipe prepared in air fryer.
Wow, this cutlet looks amazing.
If you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe my channel for amazing recipes posted regularly. Let's prepare this recipe. Take 3 boiled medium-sized mashed potatoes, 1/2 cup grated carrots, 1/2 cup grated beetroot, 1/4 cup green peas, 1 finely chopped onions, 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, 1/2 tsp ginger powder, 1/2 tsp garlic powder, 1/2 tsp coriander powder, 1/4 tsp turmeric powder, 1/2 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp kitchen king masala, 2 tbsp all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1 tsp lemon juice, salt to taste. Mix well. Apply oil in palm. Then take a small portion and make a flat round shape. Preheat air fryer for 5 minutes at 205 degrees C. Grease basket with olive oil. Place in the basket. Set for 15 minutes at 200 degrees C. After 5 to 6 minutes, apply olive oil. Flip it. Apply olive oil to this side as well. Once finished, take this out. This veg cutlet is really amazing. Please try, and I am sure you would love this. Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.